Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a magnetic wristband. And you can see on the piece of paper inside, they provide you guys all different benefits of using the product. So using one of these products is actually really convenient, especially if you guys are like a construction worker or something. So that way you can put all the screws onto the actual wrist. And that way you guys don't have to worry about losing any screws because it will be sticked onto the actual wristband. So first I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. If you guys open it, here is basically what the outside looks like. And we see they do have some high quality Velcro on here that's super strong. If you guys turn on the other side, they do have this very nice beautiful mesh material. So that way when you guys do put it on, you don't have to worry about any sweat getting on here or staying on. And when you guys view through all the product on the side, they do have like some high quality magnet. So for example, this box cutter right here from the brand called Slice, they do have a magnet in the back. So if I just stick it on, you guys see how strong the magnet is on here. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to stick on like your screws or anything else that's magnetic, this is actually really convenient, very useful. But I'm actually put this on to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys were to put it on. So all you guys kind of need to do is just kind of strap it on wherever you guys want to on your wrist. Alright, so let's say if you guys just put it on just like that, then all you guys need to do is just stick your screws on here. But this test, I'm just stick some other stuff that's magnetic because I don't have any screws with me right now. So you can definitely see how strong the magnet is on here for you guys to stick all your screws or any other accessories or tools that's magnetic. I believe the magnet on here is so strong to the point that you guys can probably even put your screwdriver on here. But you can see when we do put a remote control and other devices on here, it definitely does work. So definitely very convenient the way how they design the product, so that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to do your tasks, regardless if you guys are using it at home, in office, or even for your job. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys are a construction worker or if you guys are doing anything that involves like using screws or any magnetic accessories, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.